In this PowerPoint, I'm going to review with you how are we able to graph a function when we're provided with the standard form of an equation. That would be ax plus by equals c. Or how can I identify the x and y intercepts? So I will be able to graph a linear function and identify the intercepts. Now here's the key. When you want to find the x-intercept, you make y 0, just the opposite. And likewise, when you want to find the y-intercept, you make x 0. So here's the equation I have. And so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to, let's see if this pops up. Give me 1 second. I want you to think of it like this. Let's find the x-intercept. That means y has to be 0. So if I plug in y, I know I'm going to find the x-intercept over here. I know 3 times, my apologies, I know 3 times 0 when y is equal to 0 is equal to 0. Again, when y is 0, 3 times 0 is 0. So down here I have 2x plus 0 equals 6. Well, moving 0 to the opposite side does not impact the value of 6. Sure, you could subtract 0 from 6, doesn't change it at all. Dividing by 2, and we get x equals 3. That means the x-intercept is 3, and we can write that as 3, 0. Let me erase this, and let's start over again. Now, this time, let's go ahead and let's do the y-intercept. And we need to make the opposite. We need to make x equal to 0. Well, when I substitute 0 in for x, 2 times 0 is 0. So over here, I'm going to do the y-intercept, and I have 0 plus 3y equals 6. Again, moving 0 to the opposite side is not going to change anything. If I subtract 0 from 6, I still end up with 6. Divide by 3, and I end up with y equals 2. Now, when we write it as an ordered pair, remember it's x first, y second. Now, how did I know that I'm going to put a 0 here? It tells me x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. Okay, let's come back here now. And you can see that if I go through and show the steps, step by step, when we did this problem, we came up with an answer. When we did this problem, we came up with an answer of 3 for the x-intercept and 2 for the y-intercept. So how do I graph that? So I go over to 3, 0. I go up to 0, 2. Take a straight edge and connect through. And again, already doing the work, I came up with an answer of 6 and of 8. So I go over to 6, 2, 4, 6. And update 2, 4, 6, 8, connect, and we're done.